What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today I want to talk about how you can get the free trial with GetResponse. So it's a pretty simple process. All you need to do is click the link in the description down below and it will take you straight to the link or website that will get you that free trial. And then you can basically log in and you have 30 days. As you can tell, I have 29 days left. I just claimed mine and you'll be able to test out the full service for 30 days, no credit card required, nothing, just 30 days of the service. And then you can kind of make the decision after the 30 days, whether you want to go with a monthly plan, a 12-month plan, a 24-month plan. Of course, the longer term, the cheaper it gets. And of course, the more contacts, the more expensive it will get. So if I switch it from 1,000 to 10,000, as you can tell, it'll increase in price. So you need to know which one you need specifically. What are you looking for in order to know what to go for here? So let's say you've got a small business, you're a blogger or a content creator, and you want to build and sort of make sure that you're engaging with your audience through regular newsletters and basic email campaigns with AI-driven content generation, website and landing page integration, and sign-up tools. Then the email marketing plan would be perfect for you. Now, the marketing automation plan is great for those of you that have growing businesses and also online marketers that are wanting more advanced targeted email campaigns with added features like event-based automation, webinars, advanced segmentation, and sales funnels. So this is ideal for those scaling their operations and wanting more from their email campaigns. And finally, the e-commerce marketing plan is essentially best for e-commerce businesses focusing on selling products online. This plan integrates directly with platforms like Shopify, which is amazing. Also PrestaShop and Magento. And you've got tools like quick transactional emails, abandoned cart recovery, and promo codes. And it's essentially tailored, again, for those that need to boost sales and engage shoppers effectively. So as you can tell, each plan is kind of designed to cater to specific needs. So you need to know your needs before you go with any of these plans. And getting the 30-day free trial is perfect for any of you guys that are, looking to get GetResponse. So that's pretty much it for this video. Again, if you're looking to get that free trial, you'll find the link down below alongside a full review if you'd like to learn a little bit more about GetResponse and what it offers. And aside from that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.